Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn on auto-generated captions on your TikTok account. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by going to our profile page. We're going to do that by clicking on the icon in our bottom right corner. When we're here, we're going to click on the three stripes in the top right corner, and in this navigation menu, we're going to select Settings and Privacy. That is the last option we have. Here we're going to skip the account section. We're going to move on to content and display, and we're going to select display. As you can see here, the first section is appearance, the second is accessibility, and the second option in accessibility is always show auto-generated captions. Auto-generated captions will always be shown on videos if available. So we're going to go ahead and turn that on, and that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!